long your program's been around and the name of it, and how long you've been doing this?
So the McKinney-Vento Act came in 1987, so there's been some type of the program since then. It's been in St. Lucie Public Schools for about 10 years, and I've been doing it for a little over 2.
And I can tell you that Keiser University is so honored with our president, Leslie Christoph, to really be part of this. How many kids did you say this year that this will help?
So far this year we have a little over 1,300 students registered as homeless with St. Lucie Public Schools. So some of them need these supplies 2-3 times a year because they run out, and some don't need any but the beginning of the school year. So it all depends, but it'll touch all of them.
And so if you look over there and talk to Maria, please tell us when you say homeless, which I can't even imagine, having raised children and understanding how difficult it is even for an adult. What is the definition of the program's definition of homelessness for children?
So we follow the Department of Education homeless definition. So that's a student lacking a fixed, regular, and adequate nighttime residence. So they're living in hotels, they are living with other families due to economic hardship. A lot of our teenagers are in their cars, they're in tents, they're in shelters in surrounding counties, or just living on the street and parks.
Your work is so incredibly important, and I can tell you at Keiser University, we believe that when we're part of a community, that means at any age we want to be of some assistance. So thank you for the honor of encouraging us to participate. And this year, we are proud to say, I'm going to let Leslie Christoph, our president, share with you how much we've raised and how she went about mobilizing her team. I want you all to know that statewide, Keiser University has done this in every community. So with the 20,000 students and 3,800 folks that call Keiser University and our beautiful state home, we've all been involved with Kits for Kids, and we'll continue to help in many other ways. Leslie?
Thank you. I was really excited to learn about this foundation, and I had the opportunity to meet with Kylie and learn about the needs of the kids in the community, and brought it back to my campus team, my faculty and staff, and my students, and explained to them what we were doing for our community and these kids, and they all got behind it. We got our advisory board members behind it. We just had such a great turnout and such a great support that we've raised about $8,000 in school supplies this year for the foundation, so we're really thrilled.
Keiser's Kids for Kids, go Seahawks!